Hey y'all, I have no idea what I'm doing, but I think that it's important that I share this with someone. I think that maybe in 20 years, I'm gonna look back and be like, remember that thing that happened to me? Maybe my children will need to hear about it or something. But anyway, I don't know if this is gonna be put in Daily Joy or whatever, but or for my personal record, but we have to talk about the birds of Churchill. Okay, I think we should start big picture. There's been so much bird talk in my life. First, Kat getting 2 pet birds. She puts them on leashes. It's insane. It's cute, but it's insane. Also, our front porch birds are
nuts.
They're nuts. They attack us. They built a nest in our ferns. In 7 minutes flat. And then today, what prompted me to make this goddamn video, we had the craziest interaction. So I know what I'm doing. I'm watering the front plants. That's more of a story too, but I'm bringing water to our plants in the front. And I see this guy, and he's just has this empty water bottle with corn or seeds or something in it, and it's rattling. Exactly. And that's some Churchill shit, so I don't even blink one eye. So I keep going in and out of the house. I'm watering the plants, and he's still there, and I don't know what he's trying to get at or doing. And so I'm like, what's going on? I think he's trying to beckon a cat or something, because that's pretty on brand for Churchill too. And third time I go out there, he's still doing it, and I see out of the corner by a bird, not just not like a finch or not like a porch fern bird, but someone's bird. Where the fuck did it go?
It's right now.
Damn. He's rattling. Oh, there it is. Okay, I'm just gonna narrate. So, there's this dude over there who's trying to get his bird. There he goes! There he is, maybe. He's trying to get his bird to follow him, but his bird is got a mind of its own. Did he get it?
No, but why is he on a walk?
I don't know what the situation is. He's just rattling this thing, and the bird's kind of following him, but also kind of not. And it's white and has these pink stripes down its back, and I'm like, oh my god, something's happening. So I run inside, and I'm like, Ellie, and I immediately grab my phone. I try to do Snapchat, and I'll show you that at some point, I guess, because I have a video that I sent, but I forgot to save, but then Cassie screen recorded it for me, so I have some version of it. And we see this bird, and he flies off. And I don't know why, that just really shook us, because this man was leading this bird down the street. We didn't know what he was doing. We didn't know if it was a parade. We don't know if
it was a walk, a daily walk.
Yeah, it could have been a walk. So we were just freaking out, because also just all the birds in our life, and it was just crazy. So we Snapchat, we sent a bunch of people. I was freaking out. Nothing happens. I go to Jefferson Park tonight. We're sitting there having a picnic, about to leave. We're packing up. 3 women approach us. They have a laundry basket with a towel over it. And we're like, oh no, where is this going? It's getting dark. They were like, y'all seen someone looking for some birds? And we were like, no. And then it clicks, and I was like,
yes.
Yes. are they white? And they were like, yes, they're white. And they have stripes. And she opens up the laundry basket, and it's multiple of the same birds. Oh.
They're gonna hop out.
I'll chase them. I'll chase them.
Oh my god.
Yeah, get your Snapchatters to help us find him.
Okay, we've been having discussions about birds for a while now, and then this happens today, and this sent me over the edge. They had caught the guy's birds and are looking to give the birds back to this man, and I don't even know what to say about it. I think that
have any words.
the reason this is all so crazy is just that, like, this would happen in Churchill where there's peacock.
Walking Petey, and the neighbor's peacocks are out again. Petey.
And chickens. And racing. Also, they called them racing pigeons.
There's a thing called pigeon racing, and it's possibly $1 billion industry.
I think he races them. Is that legal?
I don't think so.
And they have like tags, and also they're white. They're pigeons. They're white, but he dyed the feathers so they're like pink. So I thought they were like exotic birds, but they're like pigeons. And so these people are like looking to get the pigeons back because they told me they tackled the birds. And they got them in the laundry basket. And then by the time they approached us, the birds had gotten so comfortable with them that they were crawling across their shoulders. And we were like, are these not your birds? And they're like, no, promise, we're looking for this man's. And then we connected about the whole experience. I showed them the other video. Then I took Snapchat. And then I posted on Facebook. With their numbers, so hopefully someone sees them and knows the Birdman, Chicken Man. I don't know what he's doing, but all right, grandchildren, I hope
This is an important document.
I hope this lives somewhere on the internet somewhere.